Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set lock screen wallpaper. So before starting this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to the setting. So you need to press the setting. Then you have to scroll down. Then you can see this wallpaper. Then you have to press it. Then you can choose it anyone from here. So many wallpaper you will see it. So I will choose it, this one. Then you can download wallpaper. You have to press it, this one. Then you have to wait it for downloading. You can see this green color. You have to wait for this. So it is done now. So you have to press this apply. Then you have to set as lock screen. You have to press it, this one, first one. So you have to apply it. So it is done now. I will show you. Yes, you can see it here. It is done now. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.